In this guide, I'll show you how to delete or uninstall games on your PS5 using the PlayStation app on your phone. Now, in order for this to work, your PS5 must be in rest mode and connected to the internet. So once you've done that, select the settings cogwheel in the top right corner, and you should see PS5 storage at the top. Now, if you don't see that, scroll down to Console Management and go to Pair Console with App. Now from here, you should be able to see your PS5, so go ahead and select it. And if you're having any troubles, there's some information at the bottom, but if you see it, go to Select Console at the bottom. Then if you scroll up, you'll see PS5 storage, so tap on it. And here you'll see all of your games and apps currently installed on your PS5. So all you need to do is select the game or app you want to delete, and then go to Delete at the bottom. Then it's going to ask, are you sure? And select Delete again. And then it's going to work on it, and it can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, and then it'll be deleted off your console. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.